our last minute drift event here. Car is somewhat ready. I wouldn't say 100%. Also never driven it yet, so yeah, we'll see how it goes, but I'm gonna load her up now, and once we get there, we'll see if the car works or not, or how it drives. We got no handbrake, so that's gonna be interesting. But yeah, we'll see how it feels. Small track, so it shouldn't be too bad, but tandems will be somewhat difficult. All right, AC deleted. That's all done. Threw a quick intake pipe on here. Should make a little more intake noise. I'm probably gonna leave the exhaust stock for this event just because I don't have much time, but a little intake noise will at least make me able to hear the car, and maybe I'll gain 1 horsepower. Down the street from the track, quick pit stop, strap check. We'll head back on the road.
Already working on it.
Got some rubbing issues we gotta fix up.
It's me, Mario.
When you're ready, I was not gonna send you before. Okay.
The first rip, no issues. A little bit of rubbing here maybe, and some mystery smoke. I think it's just tire smoke staying in the car. No leaks or anything, so we'll keep an eye on it, but I'm gonna go back out and do a couple more laps, see if anything changes.
So sick.
All right, after all those laps, the car does not want to start anymore. Ran fine, parked it, came back to go back out on track, and won't start. So checked pretty much everything. Like I said, once I get back, I'll have to diagnose it further. It might just be like a crank sensor or something, but I just can't get to that right now. So yeah, slap all this back together and go from there.
What are we doing here today?
Get the jack, look at the flathead, taking this fuel pump out.
Nice hammer.
We actually found the root of the problem. There's no pressure at the rail because this fuel pump is coming apart. So we're gonna go ahead and try a temp fix, see if it works. But worst case, I'll just go home and change the pump. So at least we found the problem. All right, got the pump back together, ready to go, and problem 2. hose is cracked, so we're gonna go look for some rubber line, see if we have any, make a quick fix. Got this hose in there temporarily. Now we'll see if this setup holds up, if the car even starts, spiders, anything at this point. All right, looks like the fuel pump fix worked. Last minute Hail Mary. Gonna see if we can go on track now and finish this tire off.
You want to stay alone?
No, it's okay. No.
No? Okay, well, just follow them. It's just gonna be all four of you all the time. Now.
Okay. I got kicked out.
You want to go ahead? Huh? Okay, perfect.
What?
Okay, you go first, you go second, 1, 2, 3.
Car made it after the fix. Got to rip a couple laps at the end there. And now we're packing it up, heading home. Got to do a clutch on this thing because it started smoking. A few minor upgrades and then should be good to go in a few weeks. Got another drift event, so might be the next video, might not. See what else I can record in between now and then. Yeah, so I guess that's it. Gonna hit the road, get back home.